we decided to share with you our new feature, which will save designers time and make the workflow even simpler and more enjoyable. We're talking about volume calculation in the Dynamic Design plugin. As always, we need at least one contour from which the quarry construction will be carried out. There's no quarry without roads, so let's add a few and connect them. For this, we use the road direction change at a specific point to create a switchback. Let's place the switchbacks on the same elevation where the two roads intersect and connect them with just one click. Just imagine how much time it would take to rebuild part of the quarry in case of an issue with road alignment. Our plugin allows for the reconstruction with just a few clicks. Now let's add and activate the topographic surface to our project. After that, we can proceed directly to volume calculation. We've added a new tab, Estimation. Without any additional settings, let's run it. The volume calculation results will be ready in no time. So, what numbers do we see? These are the calculated volumes of the block model, which is limited by the created project and the added topography. We'll keep this window open for further comparison and save the project we've generated. Additionally, the volume calculation feature now includes the option to display the estimated part of the block model. To achieve maximum transparency of the results, we recommend using this feature. The block model can also be hidden with a single mouse click. The maximum effect is achieved through the ability to quickly compare projects. Let's hide the second road and run the estimation. This gives us a second project for further comparison. We can save it for future use. Now let's simplify our project by removing all switchbacks and leaving only one road. This gives us the third project for comparison. Let's run the estimation and display all results on the screen. At this point, we can already see the difference and start analyzing, making conclusions about the optimal project choice. Typically, the project with less overburden and more valuable minerals is the better one. For convenience, we can add columns to calculate the stripping ratio. We have one more feature for you that will allow for even more precise estimation and comparison. This is the ability to include quality indicators in the estimation process and distribute results by levels. The calculation results can be grouped by available indicators. Also, for maximum transparency, the results can be exported to Excel. After a few manipulations, your results will take the form you're familiar with. Create reports in minutes, choose the best project, and enjoy the results.